But still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand, know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature, I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that, and I just want you. And I can't have you, no one should.
Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Name's PYK, real name's Mia, and today we are going to be doing a little maintenance vlog. Me and Zakari's 3-year anniversary is on the 20th. Oh, it's the 18th, by the way, so I'm a little behind, but what the matter? So it is September 18th. It's currently like 6 o'clock. Me and Jakai just woke up from a nap. And I'm about to get started with my maintenance. I'm gonna just do my own maintenance because one, I can't go get my nails done because I'm pregnant, all that acrylic air and all that stuff. So I'm just gonna do press-ons, but like with my own nail tips because I need them to be short. I'm not gonna have no long nails and no. So we're gonna do that, but I'm probably not gonna do my nails until tomorrow because I plan on doing my hair early tomorrow. Like that's probably the first thing I'll do tomorrow. I was gonna do it today because I need to record a TikTok for that, so it probably won't be in this video like fully. I will mention it, but yeah, I'll probably record that tomorrow and then get it out on the 20th. Right now I'm just gonna do my toes for the night. I might go ahead and do my brows. Really don't need that much, but I'm gonna touch them up, do my brows, do my lashes, do my toes, and then tomorrow we'll do my hair and my nails. I shaved my legs today. I'm probably gonna shave my arms tomorrow, even though I don't have that much on my arms, and I usually don't shave my arms, but I shaved them like a week ago and now it's growing back, so I'm like, might as well. I gotta do this video anyway, so, and I don't know what I'm wearing for our anniversary. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with my toes because my toes don't take long at all. So I already have some clear nail hardener on my toenails because I have really soft nails. But during my pregnancy, they kind of get stronger, get longer, all of that. So I just wear some nail hardener between polishes. So I'm gonna take that off first because one, it's not even, and I need to get it even. Put it on evenly. It comes off super easy though. So I'm gonna just redo the nail hardener because it's basically a bottom coat and a top coat. I wouldn't use it as a top coat though because it does come off very easily, like I said. So it like flakes off sometimes. You need a really good top coat. And I use the I think LA Colors or LA Girl, the gel polish line. That's what I like to use. I have so many of their colors. So for my toes though, I'm probably not gonna put color on them because I can. Might as well. I already picked out what color I'm gonna put on my nails. But I really wanted to do a French tip, but my big toes broke a little while ago and I keep them square, so I had to even them out. So they're a little short right now, but girl, I'll do the color. I'll do the color. This one. Okay, LA Colors Color Craze gel. This is the color. What color is it? It's usually on the side. Seduce Me. Ooh. This one from OPI, maybe. I don't know. I want a dark color, but I do have lighter colors that I like, that I wear all the time. That's what I wanted to do. A darker one, and then of course I have a red. I don't want to deal with red polish, cleaning up red polish and all of that though. That's too much, girl. I don't even know where my clear My clear coat is that, honey? No. I have one, but it's not my gel one that I like. And this one getting kind of old. This is the nail hardener that I use. It's just a Sally Hansen one. Yeah, so this is a color that I really want to do. I don't even like the color purple, but this is so cute. But I'm gonna probably go with this one. But on my toes, I like to wear blues. You know, I don't like the color blue. Look, I got all these colors that I want to wear, but I don't like the actual colors. We're gonna go with this. I'm gonna go ahead and put the nail hardener on, and this literally dries like while you're using it, to be honest. So I'm gonna put this on first. By the time I do the other, like paint one foot and paint the other one, the first foot be dry with this stuff because it's super thin. That's why it come off so easily. I get the sense that I get the sense that you might really love her. This is gonna be evidence. This is evidence. I try to resonate. You know more is a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the bottom, I get with your perfect peach. Now I'm in a place, man. Now I'm a case. Now you lay your face down. Got me saying over. I'm so much sure. Okay, so I got 3 layers on and let that dry. This is the OPI nail lacquer. Oh my god, son. And this in the shade Alpaca My Bags. Very millennial. What does all of that mean? Hmm? Okay, so this is, girl, look at the light. The light is off. This is the color on. It's a little bit more gray than I thought. It kind of gives grandma, but I already did it now. It's cute from far away, and ain't nobody gonna be that close to my feet. Hi, good morning. So it is not morning. It is 3:50. It's about 3:55 right now. So yesterday y'all saw that I did my toes. So what we're about to do now is I'm about to do my hair, shave my face, because look at them sideburns. I actually need to go ahead and do that first. So first I'm going to shave my face, touch up my eyebrows, and then we're gonna do my hair. Put this wig on. I'm gonna do a TikTok on that. So if y'all want to see like the install, go on over to TikTok. Then I'm going to do my lashes, do my nails. Yeah. And I think that should be it. For this little, for all this maintenance. And then I'll probably go over until tomorrow so you guys can see me do my makeup and all that stuff. Maybe. Don't quote me on that. So let's go ahead and go in the bathroom so I can shave my face. We're gonna shave my face first. I'm just gonna put my hair up and out of the way. So when I shave my face, I use aloe vera gel and a average eyebrow razor. I gotta get these sideburns off, all of that. But I'm gonna do that first, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I might do a lip scrub because my lips are super dry. It's been bothering me. So let's get this face shaved. Okay, the face is shaved. Still got a little gel on my face, but I'm gonna wash my face after. First, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and get these eyebrows right. It's nothing, they're not too bad. I just need to touch them up a little bit. The face is washed. I'm not going to put any moisturizer or anything like that on this area because I'm about to put a wig on. I don't want to have to put that on and then put alcohol on my face and get it off. So I'm just going to tone and moisturize the rest of my face. And then we're gonna go get started on my hair. Okay, so the brows are done, the face is shaved. Now let's go get started on this hair. That's gonna take at least an hour and a half. And I'm not looking forward to it, but at the same time I am. I'm looking forward to the end result. I am going to do my bald cap on here, and then I'll do the install on TikTok. Even though I'm sure somebody gonna ask about putting this over my locks anyways, cause child, putting a wig over locks, it ain't no easy feat, that's for sure. It ain't no easy task, but you know what? I'm gonna do it anyway. Cause that's how I get down. I wanna wear wigs, so. And I don't wanna retwist my hair. It's just about the same amount of work. Retwisting my hair and putting on a wig. I think it's equal. I do think it's equal. So I did like part of this on a TikTok video in the past. Putting on a little wig before. I didn't do the bald cap method with that one, but it's pretty much a similar process. I put my hair back with locks. My main tip is put your hair back with a rubber band, not a ponytail holder, not a cloth ponytail holder. If you don't want to braid your locks down, use a rubber band. I use a regular plastic rubber band. So first I'm going to wet the front of my hair, and this is some hair growth spray that I made. It's just rosemary, mint, clove, and ginger, I think, that I just boiled. Yeah, I use that to wet my hair. Anytime I need my hair to be wet, I'm gonna leave my sideburns out. I'm just gonna use some edge control to push my hair back. And the edge control I use is the Even Edge Tamer. It done rubbed off now, honey, but I know what it is. I done had it for so long. Now, once I get that flat, I'm gonna redo my ponytail. And you don't want to put any water on your locks. If you have locks and you're trying to do a wig, you don't want to put any water on them before you put your cap on, because that water's not gonna be able to dry and your hair is gonna stink. So don't do it, please. Just don't do it. I know you like, okay, it'll help my hair lay down better. You'd rather have a wig not lay down the best than have possible mold and mildew growing in your locks, because it is so hard to get out. And most of the time when it's bad enough, you have to cut your locks off, and nobody wants to do that. So just keep pushing them bad boys down until they lay how you want them to. Okay, so she is as flat as she's gonna get. Now I'm going to go back here with some edge control and really get these flat. Now, after you put a wig over your locks and use all this product to get your locks flat, wash your hair after. After I take this off, I am going to be retwisting my hair anyways, so I'm gonna have to wash it. But don't just be like, it's whatever. Wash your hair. You have to make sure you keep your locks clean, because they hold on to so much, and you don't want nothing in your locks. I brush my locks every day to keep lint and dirt and all of that stuff out of my locks, because it's annoying. It looks bad to me. It just looks uncleanly. And plus I dye my hair a lot, and those lint and dirt don't take dye. You can't bleach that and color it. So it stay black. Your hair stay black in that part. So we got her back and out the way. Now let it sit. I know you hate to hear it. Wrap it. I'm gonna use a little silk scarf and wrap it, honey. Get it flat. And I'm wrapping it tight. I'm gonna take some Tylenol, because I gotta take some Tylenol because my teeth are hurting so bad. Every time I'm pregnant, I get really bad dental pain. But I'm gonna take some Tylenol anyways for that, so it'll help me not have too bad of a headache with all this tight stuff I'm gonna be wrapping on my head. Get it flat, honey. Get it real flat. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I'm not gonna do my nails till after I'm done with my hair. So let's go ahead and get these lashes started. I'm gonna show y'all how I do my lashes at home. I've always been a high maintenance girly without a high maintenance budget. And then I used to live in a small little country town. They wasn't doing no high maintenance services. So I had to learn how to do it myself. Now with me, I only do a half lash. Just because I don't like the full look. I like to have, you know, more outward, because I do have almond eyes, so they're slightly upturned in the corner. So I try to play into that and keep my eyes. So yeah, let's hurry up and get into that, because it ain't a slow process. Hate to break it to you, babes. I'm gonna go get a handheld mirror so I can really see, but I'll try to like set it up to where you guys can see too. Okay, so I try to get a little bit closer without getting too close that the sun is on me in a weird spot. But these are my eyelashes before. Very, yeah. Girl, stop being ghetto, please. We're gonna get these girlies looking good. So I'm using the Ardell Naked Lashes, and then I'm just gonna cut these up, because like I said, I only do a half lash, so I'm not buying the whole thing. I'll probably buy some clusters eventually, but I don't do them enough to have a whole pack of clusters. So this is what we're working with, and I'm just gonna snip these up to my liking. I got some scissors, and this is my lash, okay? This is my lash. Small wispy lash, that's what I go for. Now when I cut it, this lash, if you look at it, there's no like defined shape. It's a straightforward lash. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut from the outside and then to the inside. So I'm going to cut it in half first. That's in half. And so you can see now it is smaller fans on one side and longer on the other. If you look at it, you can see the notches on there. And all I'm about to do is cut each one out, literally. So I'm gonna keep those separated by small to large. And then I'm gonna cut the other half the same way. So in total, I'm only gonna use one lash. If you're gonna try to do this without buying clusters and just using strip lashes you have, use a strip lash that isn't a cat eyelash. So that way you can save and use one lash for both eyes, because it's not one side that's going to be gradually longer than the other. What I have is tweezers, an eyelash curler, and lash glue. And let's get started. I also have a handheld mirror, of course. Um, but yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna explain it now. Put longer ones on the outside, shorter ones on the inside, and only go to literally half of your eye. Okay, so my lashes are done. I do my lashes very natural. I don't like nothing too over the top. So these are them. I just put a little mascara on the inner corner so that way it can all flow, but it looks good without the mascara. But that's that. And now we can get back to this install handy, because look at this. I said tight, okay? Keep it tight and right. All right. So let's get started with this ball cap. I'm going to explain this part, putting it on, but the rest of it, it's 50 million videos online for you to figure it out. Get it all the way, pull it back, and then I'm gonna push my locks on the inside and flatten them out. Okay, so I got my ball cap on. I'm gonna go ahead and glue all of this down. I got runs in it. It's all right, because we're gonna put another one on top. Okay, but I'm gonna go ahead here. Let's go ahead and put this other one on top too. Why does this have a hole in the top? Okay, so we just gonna, that's easier for me, to be honest, because I usually cut that piece off, but just gonna do like that, honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this glued down. This is a good thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue this down, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I got the front laid down. I kind of messed up on my ear tab over here, but it's whatever. So that ponytail that I put in here, the only thing that makes these installs over locks a little bit easier is I just pop the rubber band so my hair can lay down flat, and then I just flatten it out so I don't have that big of a lump in the middle, and it's just at the bottom, and the hair will be laying down flat right there anyways. So that's all I do, so I can have a flatter install with locks. So the rest, me actually installing the wig, I'm gonna do on TikTok. So if y'all want to see that, you can go on my TikTok, but I will catch y'all after I put it on. We probably gonna go to the store though, because we gotta get some stuff, and it's like 7 o'clock, and I don't want to be out too late because I gotta do my hair. So yeah, I will see y'all when my hair is done, and then the last thing I gotta do is my nails, and I will be all dolled up. Hey y'all, good morning. Let me turn this down. Good morning. So after I got my wig installed, we went to the store, and honey, I went to bed. We ate dinner and I went to bed. So I'm going to finish my hair, like styling it, and then I'll come back. We're gonna do my nails. Yeah, we'll do that. It is like 10:45, so I need to speed it up a little bit because I don't know what time we're supposed to be doing anything today. But yeah, I'm gonna finish my hair on TikTok. So I'll see y'all in a second. I done sized all them nails, and I don't even have my nail glue. I have no clue where it's at right now. I have a whole bag of them, but I'm just gonna paint my regular nails then. They're already shaped, but they're just shorter than I would like. But I'm gonna paint my regular nails, honey, cause hey y'all. So as you can see, I did not do my nails, but it is 9 o'clock and we already went on our little picnic and everything. But I realized I didn't show y'all like my finished hair, my makeup, all that stuff. So here we are, and I'm finna go take a shower and wash all of it off. This wig ain't going nowhere though right now, so no matter how hard I try. So she might stay on till Jakai's birthday party, but I hope y'all like. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Click that great notification bell next to it to get notified every single time I post a video. And yeah, love y'all.